Hi there! I'm here at my local Dollar Tree store today to stock up on everything that I need for a delicious brunch, fun Easter baskets, and an afternoon egg hunt. I am literally surrounded by Easter essentials, and I love it! I'll use these containers and toys for my family's Easter baskets. Plus, these little trinkets and eggs are perfect for our Easter egg hunt this afternoon. I also need Easter decorations and place settings, and I'll be ready for our Easter brunch. I'm so excited about everything I got at Dollar Tree today, especially since it was all just $1 each. I'm planning on starting our Easter celebration with a delicious brunch, complete with colorful place settings and decorations. But that's not all. Our day is just beginning. My family will have a blast during our Easter egg hunt, placing their eggs inside these festive baskets and buckets. And these colorful eggs that we dyed are perfect for decorations, too. My family and friends will be so impressed when they realize that everything I bought is from Dollar Tree, including these Easter baskets I created. With these low prices, I even made one for my husband, too. Don't miss out on all these excellent deals. Hop into your local Dollar Tree store today.